Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the Nasdaq Index on February 18th. We're on the daily time frame. As you can see, after reaching a historic high, the Nasdaq Index has entered a ranging phase. The price...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Of this index was fluctuating within a specific range between its previous high and low. Subsequently, this fluctuation narrowed into a smaller range, and then, after breaking out of this range, we saw higher highs and lower lows. This indicates that, on the daily time frame, a clear trend has not yet formed for us. In the first 2 days of this week, we witnessed a decline in the price of the Nasdaq Index, but today we saw a bullish candlestick. After collecting liquidity at its previous low and rebounding from the $24,380 range, the price is now moving toward its FVG and internal liquidity in the $24,950 range. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, in this time frame, we observed a downward movement in the Nasdaq Index. The formation of lower highs and lower lows confirms this downward movement. And we can also observe that after the price enters liquidity zones such as FVGs, it faces selling pressure, which indicates that the prevailing bias is a bearish market movement. Now, since the beginning of this week, we have seen a strong price reaction to liquidity zones in the 4-hour FVGs. After filling the 4-hour FVG, the price reacted to it and dropped down. On its downward move, it once again entered the 4-hour FVG zone, and after filling this area, it rejected from this zone and made a strong impulsive move upward. As we mentioned in the previous analysis, the reason for the current downward movement of the Nasdaq Index is the massive investment by tech companies in AI infrastructure for the year 2026. This massive investment is estimated to be around $645 billion, which has caused many investors in these companies to become hesitant. Now we are on the 1-hour time frame. We can see that in the last few candles, the price swept its weekly high, and after reacting to the 50% line of the 1-hour FVG, it reacted at the price of $24,895 and dropped down. Alongside the points mentioned, we will also review the AMD setup. As you can see, a trading range formed during the Asian session, and with the start of the London session, the price broke out of this range. The buy-side liquidity, as well as that from previous sessions, has been collected, and now we are returning to the Asian range. Now, as a bearish setup, we can consider that during the New York session, we will have a distribution phase to the downside. Wishing you success and profitable trades!